gonna answer that first question is, if you have type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, can you eat fruit? And the answer is absolutely, you can eat fruit. Fruit is good for you. Okay. So take it from me tonight. If you're someone who has been avoiding fruit altogether because you're afraid of the high blood sugars, because you're terrified of having to start medication, so now you're cutting everything out, I'm here to tell you that fruit is actually good for you, and it is something that you should have as a part of your healthy diet, and it's something that you should be using as a tool to control your blood sugars. So fruit is good. If you're going to have fruit, it's important, number one, to look at the quality of the fruit. Does the fruit have a lot of fiber? And there's a specific characteristic that we want to be aware of when it comes to our fruit, and that is called the glycemic index. We want to look at fruit that have a lower glycemic index and are high in fiber. Those are the two key things that we want to look at. So, for example, if we're looking at a high glycemic index, a glycemic index compares your food to how it compares to pure sugar. If you were to eat pure sugar, how fast would that pure sugar be absorbed into your body to spike your blood sugars, right?